I'm MichelleYap, and I graduated from London, Central St. Martin's, and then after that I journey into arts in America, and I've been selling my arts throughout America, like Chicago, New York, Pisco, as well as like Miami, and also down in Los Angeles. So over the years, I've done a lot of fairs overseas as well, in France, as well as in London, and some parts of China as well, Xi'an and Beijing. So during the pandemic, I came back. The reason was because there was a lockdown, and then I thought, like, oh, what are we gonna do now? So at that time, I was still doing a lot of collaborations. Then I realized that there is a lot of displacement between artists in Malaysia, and some of them are really struggling. So I started the new initiative with Else Gallery, and this initiative is bringing about a bit of change for them, to let them know that there is art outside of art gallery. So all these artists can now kind of work directly with brands like yourself, in order to make a career out of a real realm where they can kind of do projects and transform spaces using art, and creating better projects together with the brands. So I believe that this initiative is, if it's carried out properly, I believe it can go a long way, not only for the brands, but also for the artists themselves. For me, because Niro, as everyone know, they deal with like tiles, and they are very big in selling surface materials. So for me, it's a very new material that I've not used before, which I think using an abstract form, it can transform into more possibilities by using such a rigid product and transforming it into something very fluid. Yeah, it's really different. Like every time I create something new, whether it's a resin or epoxy, whether it's a foam, high density foam, which I carve and then make into really big sculptures. So this gives me a new avenue where I can transform using tiles to make larger and more creative projects in the future. So by using tiles, it opened up a new material for me as well. So at first, I took like smaller pieces rather than the big tiles itself. So I used the smaller pieces to create a more fluid version of what tiles can be, because normally tiles is on a flat surface. So rather it being on one dimension and just flat, so I decided to kind of experiment it to make it to be multi-dimension and maybe even floating. So I thought that would be something you would never thought of by using tiles. Yeah.